Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today I am going to discuss the signs of Qiyamah from Quran and Sunnah, especially according to Sunni Muslim. There are some signs which is greater signs, and there are some signs which is lesser sign. So I begin at first by the lesser signs of Qiyamah. First, the coming of fitna or tribulations and removal of khushu, that means fearfulness of God or taqwa, reverence, etc. The coming of Dajjal, presuming himself as an apostle of God. Dajjal will claim himself as an apostle of God. A person passing by a grave might say to another the following: I wish it were my abode. The loss of honesty as well as authority put in the hands of those who do not deserve it. The loss of knowledge and the prevalence of religious ignorance. The loss of knowledge means the loss of Quranic and religious knowledge, and prevalence of religious ignorance. Frequent, sudden and unexpected deaths. Frequent, sudden and unexpected deaths is one of the lesser sign of Qiyamah. Increase in pointless killing, meaning killing without any reason or with minor reason. Acceleration of time, that means people will all busy. There will be no time to think. They will all engage to earn, to gather money and earthly goal. Rejection of hadith, that means the spread of fabricated hadith or weak hadith, and that's why the fitna to rejection of hadith. They will not follow the hadith, or they will not accept hadith as a pure source because of the fabricated or weak hadiths. They will only believe in Quran, but actually we also need hadith, and removal of fabricated hadith should be done by Islamic scholar, and this is the peak time to do this. The spread of riba, usury or interest, the spread of riba, zina, adultery or fornication, and drinking of alcohol. Widespread acceptance of music. Pride and competition in the decoration of mosques. This is an important point. Pride and competition in decoration of mosques. The mosque will be decorated, but the people who enter the mosque, their salat, the quality of salat, it's a question whether the quality of the salat is as good as before the people did. Women will increase. Women will increase in number and men will decrease in number. So much so that 50 women will be looked after by one. Only one man will look after 50 women. This is a lesser sign. Look, this is a lesser sign, not the greater sign even. 50 women is to 1 man will be the ratio before Qiyamah. So the day of judgment will not occur unless this happens. Abundance of earthquakes. Frequent occurrences of disgrace, distortion and defamation. When people wish to die because of the severe trials and tribulations as they are suffering, the good people will wish to die because of the severe trials and tribulations and that they are suffering. Jewish fighting Muslims. Jewish fighting Muslims maybe directly. When paying charity become a burden. When paying charity becomes a burden and nomads will compete in the construction of very tall buildings. Women will appear naked despite their being dressed. Women will appear naked despite their being dressed. People will seek knowledge from misguided and straying scholars. Liars will be believed and honest people disbelieved. Liars will be believed and honest people disbelieved. And faithful people called traitors. The death of righteous, knowledgeable people. The death of righteous, knowledgeable people. The emergence of indecency, obscenity, and enmity among relatives and neighbors. The rise of idolatry and polytheists in the community. The rise of idolatry and polytheists in the community. The Euphrates will uncover a mountain of gold. This is an important point. The Euphrates will uncover a mountain of gold. The land of Arab will return to being a land of rivers and fields. People will increasingly earn more money by unlawful or haram ways. There will be much rain but little vegetation. The rain will be a poisonous rain. The evil people will be expelled from Al-Madinah. Wild animals will communicate with humans and humans will communicate with objects. Wild animals will communicate with humans and humans will communicate with objects. Lightning and thunder will become more prevalent. There will be a special greeting for people of distinction. Trade will become so widespread that a woman will help her husband in business. Already this situation is happening in the society. Trade will become so widespread that a woman will help her husband in business. No truly honest man will remain and no one will be trusted. Only the worst people will be left. They will not know any good nor forbid any evil. No one will say there is no God but Allah. So this is also a sign No one will say there is no God but Allah. That means they will forget Allah. Nations will call each other to destroy Islam by any and every means. Nations will call each another to destroy Islam by any and every means. Islamic knowledge will be passed on, but no one will follow it correctly. Muslim rulers will come who do not follow the guidance and tradition of the Sunnah. Some of their men will have the hearts of devils in a human body. This is strange. This is very strange that some of their men will have the hearts of devils in a human body. Stinginess will become more widespread and honorable people will perish. A man will obey his wife and disobey his mother and treat his friend kindly while shunning his father. Voice will be raised in the mosques. The leader of a people will be the worst of them. The people will treat a man with respect because they feared the evil he could do. Much wine will be drunk. Muslims shall fight against a nation who wear shoes made of hair and with faces like hammered shield, with red complexion and small eyes. Muslims shall fight against a nation who wear shoes made up of hair and with faces like hammered shield, with red complexions and small eyes. The emergence of the Sufyani within the Syria region. This already happened. The emergence of the Sufyani within the Syria region. The truce and joint Roman-Muslim campaign against a common enemy, followed by Al-Malhama Al-Kubra Armageddon, a Roman versus Muslim war. The truce and the joint Roman-Muslim campaign against a common enemy, followed by Al-Malhama Al-Kubra, a Roman versus Muslim war. The black standard will come for Khorasan. Hadith of black flags. The black flags, the persons with black flags will come from Khorasan. Nothing shall turn them back until it is planted in Jerusalem. Nothing shall turn them back. That means the black flagged people. Nothing shall turn them back until it is planted in the Jerusalem. Mecca will be attacked and the Kaaba will be destroyed. So Qiyamah will not happen unless Makkah is attacked and the Kaaba is destroyed. Emergence of an army from Yemen that will make Islam dominant. There will be disgracement concerning succession. Then a man will emerge from Medina. He will hurry to Makkah and the people of Makkah will come to him and urge him and try to force him to accept the bay'ah. This one is probably Imam Mahdi, one of the last of the lesser signs. That means the coming of Imam Mahdi is last of the lesser signs. So Imam Mahdi, when Imam Mahdi come, the lesser signs will be finished. I mean the necessity for lesser signs will be finished. After Imam Mahdi, the Qiyamah or Day of Judgment will be faster, will be coming soon, which will signal the coming of 10 major signs is the appearance of Mahdi. These are the lesser signs. So, Assalamu alaikum. I will discuss the greater sign in another video. Allah Hafiz.